Hello, this is Nur Rahman. Hope you are all well. Like the previous one, I'm back again with another video focusing on an important topic. Let's get started. Today's topic is for grade 4, grade 6. The topic is noun. If you want to understand and learn the previous topic article well, then focus and pay close attention to this video. Okay. Do you face difficulties in understanding, learning, and recognizing the noun? If yes, then here you go with your new topic, noun. First of all, we have to focus on the use and definition of a noun. What is a noun? Noun is used as the name of a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Or in simple words, all naming things are called nouns. Okay, one general definition, the easiest definition is that when you close your eyes and then open your eyes, the first thing you see is a noun. Experience it, close your eyes, and then open it. The first thing you see is a noun. Okay, here are examples. Noun is the name of a person. Here in examples, I wrote Ali, Allama Iqbal, Ahmad, etc. These are nouns. Places, class, theater, Pakistan, etc. These are nouns. Name of places. Things, shoes, basket, pen, etc. These are nouns, but these are the names of things. Okay. Noun is a very huge topic. Today we are going to learn some of the nouns. We have first terms of nouns. In terms of nouns, we have 5 terms. The first term is kinds of noun. Number 2 is genders of noun. Number 3 is cases of nouns. Number 4 is functions of nouns. Number 5 is forms of noun. Okay, furthermore, basically, noun has 2 kinds. The first one is proper noun. The second one is common noun. And then common noun has 4 kinds. The first one is concrete noun. The second one is abstract noun. The third one is collective noun, while the fourth one is compound noun. So today we are going to talk about kinds of noun and forms of noun. Okay. The first one is proper noun. Let us know about proper noun. Definition. Proper noun is used to name a particular person, a particular place, and or a particular thing. It means proper noun is a noun that we use for a particular person, for a specific person, for a specific place, or for a specific thing. There is some information about proper noun. You have to focus on it. In proper noun, while you write proper noun, the first letter should be capital. We have to write the first letter of proper noun capital. If you write the first letter of a proper noun smaller, second is genders of noun. Number third is cases of nouns. Number fourth is functions of nouns. Number fifth is forms of noun. Okay, furthermore, basically, noun has two kinds. The first one is proper noun. The second one is common noun. And then common noun has four kinds. The first one is concrete noun. The second one is abstract noun. The third one is collective noun, while the fourth one is compound noun. So today we are going to talk about kinds of noun and forms of noun. Okay. The first one is proper noun. Let us know about proper noun. Definition. Proper noun is used to name a particular person, a particular place, and or a particular thing. It means proper noun is a noun that we use for a particular person, for a specific person, for a specific place, or for a specific thing. There is some information about proper noun. You have to focus on it. In proper noun, while you write proper noun, the first letter should be capital. We have to write the first letter of proper noun capital. If you write the first letter of a proper noun smaller, it means it is wrong. Number 2, articles. Definite and indefinite article. A and the are not used with proper nouns. For example, if you say an Ali or a Ali or the Ali, it is wrong. Do not use articles before proper nouns. Number 3, make sure articles could be used when two or more people, places, or things have the same name. What does it mean? In case a noun, there are more than two nouns, more than two places, no more than two people, or more than two things, but they have the same names, then you can use proper noun article before that. For example, my brother is named Ali. My brother's name is Ali, and my friend's name is also Ali. So there are two people, they both have the same name, Ali. Now, in this case, I can use definite article the before proper noun Ali because there are two names. The names are same. So I want to specify one of them. That's why I can use article before that proper noun. Like I can say, the Ali who is dancer is my friend. There are two Alis. One is my brother and one is my friend. So I want to specify one Ali from them. That's why I can use the article the before proper noun Ali. I hope you understood. After that, we have common noun. Very important thing. Yeah, very important noun. You have to focus on it if you want to learn. Definition. Common noun is a noun given in common or in general to every person, every place, or everything of the same class or kind. It means common noun is a noun that can be in general. In general mean there are a lot of people or a lot of persons. Okay, they have that noun in common. There are a lot of places, they have that noun in common. There are a lot of things, they have that noun in common. So that's why it is called common noun. Like for example, if I say girl, girl is a name which is common. Mean, let me call the name of some girls like Aisha, Arisha, Lelma. These are three girls. Okay, so Aisha, Arisha, and Lelma, that are in common. The same is like boy. Boy. Boy is a common noun, mean any boy. Ahmad, Ali, Khan, any boy. Student. There are a lot of students. Okay, so this is a common noun. Country. There are a lot of countries like Pakistan, India, China, America, Australia. Chair. Okay, there are a lot of chairs, but this is a common name for all the chairs. Okay, note, learn these information if you want to understand common noun in a very good way. Common nouns can be either count or non-count nouns. We will talk about count nouns and non-count nouns at the end, but let me give you some information about count and non-count nouns. You can say count nouns are those nouns which we can count, but non-count nouns are those nouns which we cannot count. For example, if I say a car, car is a common noun. It has plural forms. We can count cars. A car, two cars, three cars, four cars. Make sure if you want to put number before a noun, a common noun like 2, 3, 4, you have to put plural form of a noun after numbers. Okay, number 2, articles. A or in can be used before common nouns, but keep in mind don't use a or in before plural nouns. It means you can say a boy, a girl, a chair, but you cannot say a boys. It is wrong because boys is plural, while a or in shows oneness of something. So make sure don't use article a or in before plural nouns. You can use them just before count singular nouns. Number 3. Common nouns have both singular and plural forms. Common nouns have both the forms, singular form as well as plural form. Like for example, I say car, cars. Men have both the forms, singular form as well as plural form. Like for example, I say car, cars. Men, men. Men is singular while men is plural. Make sure there is an article a or an or the. We have to use these articles before any singular countable names.